There are free shuttle boats run by all the major hotels along the Chao Phraya River in Bangkok, Thailand. These boats will take me directly to the hotel that has their name on the flag. Now, there is the tourist boat, the blue flag boat. That boat is for tourists. The operators on that boat all speak English and they can tell you where to get off, but there are no locals on that boat. These yellow boats are used by the construction workers that work on the river. I guess they fix the potholes in the water or something. I really don't know. Okay, now this is one of the many restaurant boats that chug up and down the river all day and almost all night. Of course, you're going to pay a premium to dine on the river, but it's a nice little thing to do if you have a couple extra bucks in your pocket. Okay, here comes a speedy boat. Okay, watch, it's going to pull right up into frame and you'll see there's no flag on the boat. That is for tourist groups. And here comes another hotel boat. These boats are free to ride on if you are a resident at one of the hotels or the condominiums that they go to.